In this video, I will show you how to create this monthly climate average chart. Consider I have this data sheet on which the first column are the month name, we have the low value, we have the high value. I just need to select my entire data sheet, click on Insert, Recommended Chart, simply select this line chart and hit OK. The next thing, I will click on my first series, click on plus button and simply apply up down bar. Click on plus button again, click on format. On the very left side, you can see a drop down menu and simply select, let's say, low series. For the shape outline, simply select no outline. Again select high series, shape outline and simply select no outline. Now click on chart design and simply select this design. Click on plus button again of the grid line, update the chart title. And this is how you can create this amazing chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope you learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.